Go Charlie! Go Charlie!
Yes. Hold it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Charlie, get out. Go on, Charlie.
Let go of it, let go. Escape from the mount. Hip escape, watch your Kimura. Buck, buck. Watch the armbar, watch the armbar. Watch the armbar. Triangle, watch your triangle. Buck, buck. Explode. Yes, keep going, keep going. Watch your Americana. You need to buck him off. Hold your own hand, grab your own hand. He hasn't got it.
Charlie, go Charlie.
That's it. Escape out the back. Yes, yes, keep going, keep going, keep going. Escape out the back. Yes, get on top, get on top, get on top, get on top. That's it, posture. Posture now. Posture, no, stay on your knees, stay on your knees. Stay on your knees. Hey. Watch the armbar, it's gone. Get on top, there again, drive, 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 drive. Has he got an arm? No. Push his legs off your head and go. Yes. Get on top. Keep going with it, roll with it. Armbar. Hip into him. Watch your mount. Catch your foot.
Good. Got move actually.
What side's Charlie?
Hand on his hip. Hey.
Is it this side?
Watch the armbar. Turn into it. Hitchhiker. Bum, over your shoulder. Hey, tap. God.
Yay! Yay! Well done, Charlie!